Good morning. It's Saturday, September 13th. This is Sober Readings. From Daily Reflections, Repairing the Damage. Good judgment, a careful sense of timing, courage, and prudence. These are the qualities we shall need when we take step 9. That's from 12 Steps and 12 Traditions, page 83. To make amends can be viewed two ways. First, that of repairing damage. For if I have damaged my neighbor's fence, I make amend, and that is a direct amend. The second way is by modifying my behavior. For if my actions have harmed someone, I make a daily effort to cause no further harm. I mend my ways, and that is an indirect amend. Which is the best approach? The only right approach, provided that I am causing no further harm in so doing, is to do both. If harm is done, then I simply mend my ways. To take action in this manner assures me of making honest amends. Today's reading from the 24 Hours book, the AA Thought for the Day. No one is too discredited, nor has sunk too low, to be welcomed cordially into AA, if he means business. Social distinctions, petty rivalries, and jealousies, these are laughed out of countenance. Being wrecked in the same vessel, being restored and united under one God, with hearts and minds attuned to the welfare of others, the things which matter so much to some people no longer signify much to us. In AA, we have true democracy and true brotherhood. So ask yourself, has AA taught me to be truly democratic? The meditation for the day. When you call on God in prayer to help you overcome weakness, sorrow, pain, discord, and conflict, God never fails in some way to answer the appeal. When you are in need of strength for yourself or for the help of some other person, call on God in prayer. The power you need will come simply, naturally, and forcefully. Pray to God not only when you need help, but also just to commune with Him. The spirit of prayer can alter an atmosphere from one of discord to one of reconciliation. It will raise the quality of thought and word and bring order out of chaos. The prayer for the day. I pray that I may bring peace where there is discord. I pray that I may bring conciliation where there is conflict. And finally, today's reading from As Bill Sees It, page 78. Clearing a channel. During the day, we can pause where situations must be met and decisions made, and renew the simple request, "Thy will, not mine, be done." If at these points our emotional disturbance happens to be great, we will more surely keep our balance provided we remember and repeat to ourselves a particular prayer or phrase that has appealed to us in our reading or meditation. Just saying it over and over will often enable us to clear a channel choked up with anger, fear, frustration, or misunderstanding, and permit us to return to the surest help of all, our search for God's will, not our own, in the moment of stress. That's from the 12 and 12, pages 102 and 103. That's it for today's reading. Thanks for listening. Until next time, don't drink, go to a meeting, and keep coming back. Have a great day. And as my friend Larry says, best day ever.